In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up account alerts in Bank of America, online banking, and the mobile app. By the end, you'll know how to turn on the notifications that matter most and choose exactly how you want to receive them so you can keep a closer eye on your money and catch unusual activity quickly. Start by signing in to your Bank of America account, either on the website or through the mobile app. Use a secure connection and make sure your app is up to date so the alerts features appear as expected. Once you're in, look for the alerts section. On the app, you'll typically find it under the main menu or by tapping your profile icon and selecting alerts. On the website, open the menu or profile area and choose alerts from there. This is the central hub where you'll review and manage everything. Next, take a moment to browse the alert categories available. You'll see options for account balances, transactions like deposits and withdrawals, and card activity or security alerts. Balance alerts can help you avoid overdrafts by notifying you when your available balance drops below a level you choose. Transaction alerts can let you know when a paycheck hits, when a transfer posts, or when there's a withdrawal. Card and security alerts are especially helpful for staying on top of purchases, declines, or any activity that looks unusual so you can act quickly if something doesn't seem right. When you find alerts that fit your needs, toggle them on. Many alerts let you fine-tune details such as setting a specific dollar threshold for low balances or choosing which accounts the alert applies to. Take a minute to personalize these settings so the notifications you receive are truly useful, not overwhelming. Now choose how you want to be notified. You can select email, text messages, or push notifications. Push notifications are fast and convenient if you have the app installed and notifications enabled on your device. Text messages can be great if you prefer quick updates without opening the app, and email is useful for keeping a longer record. Make sure your contact information is current so messages reach you reliably. Remember, alerts are there to help you monitor your accounts and spot fraud or unusual activity early. You can update your selections or turn alerts off at any time by returning to the same alerts section. Experiment, adjust, and settle on a setup that keeps you informed without creating too much noise. That's it, your alerts are now tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with staying informed.